Almost everyone is familiar with squirrels. There are over 200 species all around the world that are able to live in a wide variety of habitats, from tropical rainforests to semi-arid deserts. In the 19th century, squirrels were even introduced into cities to bring a sense of nature to city parks. People enjoyed the opportunity to feed and observe these charismatic animals. Many squirrels forage for nuts and seeds and bury their findings to come back to later. They use their good sense of smell to help them relocate these hiding places. Here, an eastern gray squirrel seems to be burying and rearranging some of its food stashes. At One Heart Wild, one of our most common wild visitors is the Douglas squirrel, also known as the chicory. They are brown in color with orange bellies and have a light-colored ring around their large eyes. Douglas squirrels are native and unique to the Pacific coast of North America. We find it very cool that out of all the places in the world, this ecosystem is one of the only areas where these animals live. Douglas squirrels are known to be very territorial. They will yell at and chase other squirrels out of their territory if one is getting too close. They are also known as sentinels or guards of the forest because they have loud alarm calls that let others know when an intruder or predator is nearby. The Douglas squirrel is a very noisy animal. If you are in this area of forest, it is common to hear a variety of vocalizations from this sassy squirrel. Their diet consists of many different foods. They feed on cone seeds and will forage for berries and mushrooms, and we often see them at our bird feeders enjoying an easy meal. When Douglas squirrels feed on cones, they will leave behind what is called a midden, which is a pile of all the discarded cone scales. Keep an eye out for these middens for a sign that squirrels have been in the area. Squirrel tracks can also sometimes be found in mud or snow. They leave behind a unique track pattern of 4 paw prints, the hind feet being much larger than the front. Douglas squirrels are important to our ecosystem for many reasons. They help disperse the seeds of trees and berries and the spores of mushrooms to grow in new locations. They are also an important food source for many animals in the area, including owls, hawks, coyotes, and bobcats. A nesting box for Douglas squirrels was recently put up at One Heart Wild. We are hoping this will encourage our resident pair to stick around and provide them a safe place to raise young that will add to our local population of this native animal. Commonly seen wildlife can be easily overlooked, but the presence or absence of these common species can say a lot about the health of an ecosystem. Are there squirrels living anywhere around you? Can you identify the species? Or maybe just notice something interesting about them? Give these cute little mammals a closer look next time you're out and about.